Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadgetgig. Today we have with us a budget true wireless earphones from pTron, and they are the pTron Bassbuds NYX. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you if they are worth buying. So here is the box of the Bassbuds NYX. In the front we have the picture of the earphones and the model Bassbuds NYX written here, and they are the truly wireless earbuds. At this side of the box we have the key features such as Bluetooth 5.1, 10mm driver, 32 hours of playback time, Type-C charging, and they are IPX4 water resistant. At the back we have the MRP, which is Rs 3,999. However, the launch price is just Rs 1,299. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the welcome card, and here at this side we have the warranty information and the barcode by which you can get the user manual. And then we have the earbuds itself, and guys, they are the half in-ear style earbuds. And then in the box we have the charging case, and as you can see we have this transparent case which is very unique, and personally I find this design very good. And lastly in the box we get this Type-C charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earbuds and the charging case closely. So starting with the charging case, we get the transparent design which is very unique and definitely eye-catchy. The build quality of this product is also very good, and keeping in mind that it's a budget true wireless earphone, the design is for sure attractive. In terms of the overview, in the front of the case, we have this LCD screen which will show you the current battery level of the case. And here at the bottom, we have the Type-C charging port. And looking at the back, we can see the earbuds. Now in terms of the door quality, again, as they are the budget true wireless earphones, I find the quality very good, though you won't be able to open the case with one hand. Now looking at the earbuds, as mentioned earlier, we get the half in-ear style earbuds, and surprisingly, the quality of these earbuds is very good. So we get the glossy finish in it, and here on the top, we have the touch sensitive panel with the pTron branding. And on the top, we also get this green LED status light. Now about the technical details, we get the Bluetooth 5.1 support, 10mm driver, and they are IPX4 water resistant. The battery capacity of each earbud is 30 mAh, and the weight is only 4 grams each. Now let's pair them with our phone and we will see how they perform. So for pairing, just take both the earbuds out of the case, and that's it, they're ready to pair. So we have paired them with our phone. Now let me show you first the touch controls. So a single tap on either of the earbuds will pause and play music. Double tap on the right earbud will take you to the next song, and double tap on the left earbud will take you back to the previous song. Long pressing on either of the earbuds will call Google Assistant or Siri. You also get modes in these earbuds such as movie and music, and for this you need to triple tap on either of the earbuds. And now about the performance. First of all, as they are the half in-ear style earbuds, we find them surprisingly very comfortable to wear. So in these earbuds, you will get snug fit, but don't expect passive noise cancellation that much, which we usually get in the in-ear style earbuds. And now about the sound output. In the music mode, the vocals are very clear, and the instrument separation is also very good in these earbuds. The bass is definitely there, and the highs are also pretty good. About the bass more, it's not overpowered, which is mainly due to its design, but we are getting sufficient bass output, which is as per my liking. And one more thing, the volume is very loud, and I would suggest you to use these earbuds at around 80% volume. And now about the movie mode. So when you enable the movie mode, you will notice clear dialogue output, and also there will be no lag in the audio. We have also done a lag test, and in the normal music mode, it's around 300 milliseconds, and in the movie mode, it's around 150 milliseconds, which is very good. And apart from movies, you can also use these earbuds for casual gaming as well. Talking about the mic clarity, we have used these earbuds for calls and in the in-game voice chats. And there, we find the dual mic output average, which is like any other true wireless earbuds in this price segment. Now lastly about the battery backup, we were able to get around 5 hours of battery backup in one single charge. And with the 250 mAh charging case, we were able to get an additional 30 more hours of battery backup. So overall, the pTron Bassbuds NYX offers a unique transparent design with good build quality. The sound output is good, and you'll find amazing clarity in these earbuds. Though the bass is not that much, you will get decent bass from these earbuds. The modes are definitely an advantage, and you can choose movie mode for lag-free movie experience. Apart from that, the LCD display on the case is also very helpful. So in short, if you're looking for some trendy looking earbuds for your daily usage, and the half in-ear style earbuds are your style, then these are one of the best true wireless earbuds we have tested in the year 2022, and we highly recommend you to check them out. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the pTron Bassbuds NYX True Wireless Earbuds. Let us know if you like them, and also if you have any queries or questions about these earbuds, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadgetgig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.